Yogi the Easter Bear will return after these messages.
All right, you little chocolates, fall in.
Who's made of delicious milk chocolate?
We are, sir.
I can't hear you. Who's made of rich, delicious, absolutely unique milk chocolate?
We are, sir.
And who's covered with a thin, colorful candy shell?
We are, sir.
So the milk chocolate
Melt in your mouth, not in your hand, sir.
Keep it up and you'll earn those M's.
We M's will march mile after mile to make you open your hand and smile.
There's nothing like the sound of chocolate on the march.
This is a warning to everyone in Wisconsin. This emergency broadcast was presented by the Madison Police Force. The killer is a 6-foot-tall man, dressed in an Easter bunny costume. If you see him, run away and call the police. At the time of this broadcast, there has already been 3 confirmed deaths. Make sure that all entry points to your house are locked and you have something to arm yourself with. The killer has left Easter baskets in people's homes all around the state. No matter what, do not touch or eat the chocolate eggs in the baskets. These eggs have contained razor blades and narcotics. Do not let your children eat or be near any Easter eggs. Thank you for listening. This announcement will play one more time.